complex, costly, difficult to manage, out of date. More organizations are turning away from legacy branch routers in favor of secure SD-WAN solutions to become cloud-ready and improve overall user experience. SD-WAN solutions aren't just easy to manage, they also simplify WAN operations overall. But at SpartanTec, we know that a true solution is only achieved when the networking and connectivity functionalities of SD-WAN are combined with security functionalities, all running on the same appliance with the same operating system managed by a single console. If SD-WAN offerings don't include security, they're little more than another conduit for cyber attacks. But with secure SD-WAN, organizations of all sizes can simplify operations, save significant CapEx and OpEx, and improve operational productivity. If you're tired of the same old high costs and manual operations that are always slowing down your operations, let Fortinet partner SpartanTec show you why secure SD-WAN is for you. For more information, contact us today